a portrait photographer.
Yeah.
I was wondering if I could take a free picture of both of you.
Okay. So look at the...
Yeah. Oh, beautiful. Amazing. Yeah. Hello everyday people. So a lot of people have been asking me a lot of questions on Instagram and TikTok about what gear do I use, what camera do I use, what lens, what settings, how do I approach people, what do I say to people, how do I get them to pose, what lighting am I looking for, what are my settings. So I thought the best idea to answer all these questions would be to put the full raw uncut videos up on YouTube so everybody can see my approach and interactions with people. Let me know what you think. I hope you enjoy them. If you got any questions, put them in the comments below and I will answer all of you. Hi, how you doing? Hi, my name's Ronnie. I'm a portrait photographer.
Yeah.
I was wondering if I could take a free picture of both of you.
Okay.
Yeah, is it okay?
Yeah.
I then post it online. I post the video online on TikTok and Instagram.
Okay.
Like-
So we should look at the...
Yeah. Is it okay? Both of you together? You can leave the camera on. It looks cool. Oh, beautiful. Amazing. Yeah. Oh, that looks really cool.
Okay.
Yeah, of course. I'm just gonna come a little bit closer. Amazing, really cool.
Okay. Thank you.
The colors look amazing.
Yes.
Yeah, the
Really
color
nice.
is-
Do you have Instagram or TikTok or?
Yeah. I
Yeah?
have Instagram.
If I take your handle, then when I post it, I can tag you
Sure.
on there. Where are you from?
From China.
From China. Are you on holiday or?
Now we are students and...
You're students?
Yeah, today have no cars. And
It's a beautiful day today.
It's my car.
So this is Insta.
Yeah.
YUYIRU
Yeah.
underscore CC.
Yeah.
Is it correct?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah, it's correct.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Is it okay? Do you have TikTok as well? You wanna?
No, I don't have.
You have Instagram or?
no.
You can
No?
just mention me.
That's okay. Okay. Thank you so much. Have a nice day. Bye bye. Here we go. Hi guys. Hi, how you doing?
Good, you?
I'm very good, thanks. My name's Ronnie. I'm a portrait photographer.
Yeah?
I really like the way you guys look. The atmosphere is amazing. I'm wondering if I could take some free pictures for you.
Yes, of course.
Yeah?
Yeah.
You be up for that? And then I
Yes.
post it online after. I take your handles and I tag you guys in it as well.
Okay.
Yeah?
That's all right.
Where are you from? Oh, yeah, both of you together and then maybe one each.
Yeah?
Yeah?
Okay. So, together and after...
Yeah. Are you friends or are you a couple or?
No,
friends.
You're just friends? Okay, come a little bit closer to each other so your shoulders are touching a little bit. Yeah. Whatever you feel comfortable with. Beautiful. Wow, amazing. Really nice. Amazing. Okay, and oh, you just had your eyes closed in that one. Just one more.
No.
Amazing. Okay, and we do one each? Who wants to go first? You want to go?
Okay.
Okay, let's try this angle. I think amazing. Look towards your friend. Beautiful. Okay.
Am I close enough?
Yeah. Don't worry. He's a natural, huh? He knows how to pose. He knows how to. Really good. Really nice. Amazing. Oh, that last one was beautiful.
I guess.
Oh, yeah.
Really nice.
The colors here look amazing.
Yeah.
These ones are great as well.
Yeah.
Such a full vibe.
Yeah, absolutely. What are your names?
Her
Claire.
name is Claire and my name is Samir.
Samir, and you're from France, you said?
France,
Ah, okay. I was just talking to some other people over there. They're from France as well.
Oh.
Yeah, we met some French people.
Yeah.
There's a lot of French people here today.
Yes, because it's, in France it's holidays now, so I think it's the reason why.
Ah, okay. Do you have Instagram, TikTok?
Yeah.
Would you like me to
Yes.
tag you in?
Yes, of course.